Today, I'll show you how to cook Vietnamese beef pho. This is a delicious, easy to make, and nutritious dish. Make sure to watch till the end. Cook it for your loved ones to enjoy. First, we need a piece of beef, preferably from the shank or brisket. Then, marinate the beef with finely chopped lemongrass and shallots. For the broth, use beef bones, add whole lemongrass stalks, lightly smashed and ginger to remove the odor. Be sure to simmer the bones thoroughly to make the broth sweeter for about 2 to 3 hours. Remember to add a little white wine and salt to enhance the richness of the broth. Now, let's marinate the beef with seasoning, salt, MSG, minced shallots, and lemongrass. Let the beef marinate for about 10 minutes so the flavors can soak in. After that, add the beef into hot oil and pan fry it briefly to firm up the meat. After that, put all the seared beef into the broth and simmer until the meat becomes tender. Once the meat is cooked, place the noodles into a bowl. Pour in the hot broth, and it's ready to enjoy. I hope you can try this recipe successfully at home.